Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. Again, we're going to San Francisco. Taking a BART this time. Let's go. 3, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay guys, ngayon natapos namin ang demolish dito sa 7th floor. Now we're gonna do pulling the new cables now, starting from 7th floor. Right there, Erick is numbering the cables now. We're ready to rock and roll. We're here in the building. As you see, Ray is numbering the cables now. We're now about to pull these cables. Now you can go. Don't miss this one. Okay, you can go there.
Mark it. Okay, it's good. Alright. Now we're gonna hammer it. Hammer the concrete, but not all the way. There. All the way. Alright. Put it in. And push it here. Let go. Perfect. Good. Yeah. So we're gonna go here.
The next one. Push it. And then see that tail? The reason is for that. See? Now you can go to the next one. Now it's lunchtime. Ray's heating up our balloon.
Well, provided with the microwave.
We're out here in the city. Lunchtime.
Good.
That's our improvised table here. We eat rice and a fritada. This is our customized table right here. That's the life of the king. Okay. Don't let go, you back up. here where we uncoil the cable, massage, and do some tapes here just to make sure they keep. We massage the cable like this. Now we can pull it from there.
Two more.
Now Erick's gonna tape this up. He's gonna stick there already, glow rod, and he's gonna tape it up to the glow rod. Alright, this is how we do the fisherman. Watch out behind you, Ray. Oh, you like it there on your shoulder? Put your cable on my shoulder. Inuman na yun. Good job.
Number 5.8.
5.8.
5.8.
5.8.
5.8.
5.8. Oh no, wait. Yeah. You can use whatever spray. But you can. Ano yan? Tawag doon? Space 1U.
Space 1U.
Space 1U.
Alright.
Alright. Ray's gonna do the panel.
10. Alright.
Okay, here you go. Prep them now. Looking good, looking good. What's that? What's that?
and 4. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3.
Yeah. Hanggang ilan?
Up to 8.
8?
To 8.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna press. Okay. Put it in between the two
Okay.
middle. Filling up the patch panel now.
7.2.
This is what you call the unloaded patch panel.